The origin of Aplo Scope is rooted in O&I's desire to simplify super resolution so that anyone can access it. And that starts with just the name itself, Aplo, which is a Greek word that means to simplify or to make things easy. And that is sort of the ethos of the entire platform, is that we can make super resolution easy and accessible to any scientist anywhere.
With Apposcope's compact and user-friendly design, as well as its versatile imaging capabilities, it's really suitable for everyone.
So single molecule imaging is traditionally pretty hard to do, right? There's a lot of different things that get into there. There's lasers, there's filters, there's analysis, there's buffers. There's a lot of different pieces to making single molecule imaging work correctly. And so with the Apposcope, we really wanted to make that entire process really, really simple. On the Apposcope, we have dedicated lasers, dedicated emission filters, a very large field of view that address some of the key challenges that customers run into, which is being able to generate good data reliably and reproducibly in a high throughput manner.
Traditionally, in order to set up a super resolution microscope in your lab, you either need to be an expert who understands all of the nuances of the technology and the hardware, or you need to hire someone who understands that for you. With the Aplo Scope, all you need to do is unpack the instrument, put it on the bench, and you can start super resolution microscopy. There are no decisions about hardware. We provide all of the equipment that you need. So the computer, the light engine, the microscope. The footprint is extremely compact, and that's all that's required, which is very unique to this kind of microscopy.
You can prepare your samples using the Aplo flow. You can use the same software interface to acquire data using your Aplo Scope, and you can analyze and generate reports using the same software interface called Cody that's all integrated from the sample preparation to the imaging, the analysis, and the reporting. So what that means is if you're an advanced microscopist, you can use all the power of the hardware that's in here, the large field of view, the really high power lasers, and also the really low power lasers. All of that really powerful hardware is at your control. But at the same time, it can also be used really simply. If you're a novice user, you can just use the machine and see your biology.
All the different hardware settings are preset in the software as different channels. And by clicking a button, each channel is sequentially acquired.
And it turns out very beautiful as well. Apposcope is a powerful and versatile microscope. When you're using Apposcope, you don't have to worry about the technology, just your experiment. So if you know what fluorophore you're using, the microscope will pick the right laser and configuration for your imaging settings. This approach minimizes downtime and allows you to focus on what really matters, your research.
One of the other unique elements of the Apposcope is its ability to do single molecule imaging where you need really, really high laser power across the entire field of view, as well as doing really, really low laser power for live cell imaging stably over time. And so the Apposcope is a unique microscope platform that allows you to do both with the same machine.
Apposcope features a sensitive camera and advanced laser technology. This minimizes photobleaching, which prolongs cell viability.
In some traditional microscopes, the users have to manually change the filters depending on what they're imaging on the scope. In the Apposcope, it's automatically changed in millisecond timescales to enable the user to do fast live cell imaging, which is going to provide end-to-end solutions to the user.
The Apposcope brings some really excellent spectral separation capabilities to single molecule imaging by integrating dedicated emission filters right into the microscope. With the Apposcope, we can go up to 5 different imaging channels.
And that allows you to configure your lasers and settings such that you can do different types of imaging very quickly.
So when you're staining your sample, you'll use different fluorophores that have different emission and excitation spectrum. When you're doing multicolor imaging, you do the same thing, but you shift those fluorophores spectrally by like 100, 150 nanometers apart so that you can spectrally separate them by using dedicated emission filters that are looking just at those emission bands for those different fluorophores. Apposcope has a really, really large field of view, 110 microns by 110 microns, and it has a homogeneous illumination across this entire view. So what that means for a user is that you can acquire data that is reproducible and reliable across that entire field of view, and what you're looking at in terms of variability of your data is not linked to your instrument anymore, it's actually linked to your biology. What you're getting is more data because the sensor is larger and what you're reading out is bigger, but you're also getting the same data quality anywhere across that entire field of view because the illumination is uniform across that entire field of view.
Apposcope, along with Cody, allows you to have unmatched flexibility using Apposcope's multi-acquisition feature. You can effortlessly configure your acquisitions such that you queue acquisitions after one another. This allows you to do repeated testing very easily and reproducibly.
There are a number of things that are unique about the engineering on Applo, from the way we manage thermal control around the sample, to how our lasers are integrated in a seamless way from the user's perspective, and how our fluidics are integrated in the Cody UI. All of these engineering things that are happening behind the scenes are designed to increase the reliability, the reproducibility, and the consistency of your results from experiment to experiment, no matter who's performing the assay or who's designing it for you.
Apposcope is designed to be a high throughput, large field of view microscope with the capability of long-term autonomous continuous data generation, which means the users can acquire large amount of data in a short time. Apposcope is for everyone.
Apposcope is for everyone.
Apposcope is for anyone who wants to look deeper into their biological questions and learn more than what the diffraction limit lets them see.